Adding questionnaire to your Wix website is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can add questionnaires to your Wix website. So as you guys can see, I'm at the Wix website editor. So for that, you have to go to your new tab and you need to search for questionnaire HTML free, and you have to go to this website, which is form bold. Now here you have to select any of the template that you want to use. You can also write the custom code if you're a good coder, but I'm here using just the template. So I'm going to click on this, get the code, and I'll be able to find all the code written right here. So I'm going to click on this copy link and I will go back to Wix website editor, and here I have to click on this add element, and here I have to simply click on this embed code, and in the embed code option you will be able to see this option, which is embed HTML. Now I'm going to paste my code right here. I'm going to click on this update. What it will do is it will add that questionnaire right here in my box. I can adjust it right anywhere where I want, and I can also edit the questions from these code. You have to just simply update the statements right here from the HTML section. As you guys can see, these are all the statement option 1, option 2. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.